I made several changes for from the first video I did on this, what I call the motorcycle tire changer. But as you can see in the video, it can be used on a car as well. But the change that I made was I wanted to stay with the 3 clamp system instead of the 4. You know, even though I built one, but I like the idea of 3 clamps. What I've done is, before I had the post clamp back here and I would screw the clamp into it, but because a motorcycle wheel has all that hardware, gear or brake disc, whatever, hanging off the side of it, you need to keep this area free. So I pulled all the screws out of it and put them on the outside here, raised them up so that I was forced them closer to the wheel itself. When I clamped on it, I was up here and not trying to clamp down here. You got a binding action with these on this sliding arrangement here. So that's basically what went on there. I also then I started looking at my arrangement here for the pivot point, and I was using some pillow blocks, and that was needlessly complex. This is just a couple nuts that I drilled out, tack welded to a plate here, and they slide on this 3/4 inch bar here, which go right up through the axle. And then it just spins around. This is free to move. The only reason it just binds a little bit when you get a little kitty wampus on there. But this is free to move up and down. This locks it in place when the wheel gets caught in here so it doesn't jump around. This bar moves in and out. And this one here moves in and out on the other bar. So you got 3 telescoping pieces here. But it seemed to work okay. I'd like to get it on another motorcycle tire, but I haven't worn one out yet to try it.